Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: map visible, inventory free slots, and a speed boost equipped. Move now toward the nearest milk cache. This earns early momentum and reduces wasted backtracking. Once done, scan for purple milk icons because they respawn regularly. This increases yield. Make sure to pick up any small milk containers en route so you stack resources. These first actions set the tempo. They let you control spawn timing and conserve time for later, more complex steps. You now transition to the core loop. Clear nearby threats before harvesting so you don't lose milk during collection. Move in a triangle between 3 hotspots to sync with respawn timers and avoid idle waiting. While collecting, manage your carrying capacity. Hold large milk when safe. Swap to small containers if mobility matters. Once done, use boosts between hotspots to save seconds. This strategy keeps your uptime high and maximizes chocolate milk acquisition versus wasted risk and travel time. You finish by delivering milk to the processing point and confirming the acceptance tone. That secures your chocolate milk reward. If time runs low, convert 2 small containers into 1 large at the station to speed up delivery. Make sure to stash any extra milk in safe storage when done. If you encounter a lost milk bug, first check inventory slots and then relog. That often restores missing items. These final steps lock in gains and handle common failures, so you leave with chocolate milk guaranteed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.